Welcome. Today we will show you the process that you go through when you get a solar energy system. We begin by finding the perfect spot for your solar panels. It's like playing Tetris but with extra steps, as we have to consider factors such as roof space, orientation for maximum sunlight exposure, and avoiding obstructions that can cast shadows. We map out the roof, tracing where the sun rises and sets, and identifying potential sunlight blockers like trees and neighboring buildings. Our team conducts a thorough assessment to ensure the most efficient placement of solar panels, maximizing your energy production and savings. Now we can focus on your energy needs. Every household has unique energy needs, and that will determine the type and number of solar panels required. From sleek monocrystalline panels to efficient polycrystalline options, we tailor the setup to suit your energy goals, aesthetic preferences, and budget. Our experts analyze your historical energy usage patterns and future energy needs to design a customized solar system that meets your specific requirements. Whether you're aiming for complete energy independence or looking to reduce your carbon footprint, we have the perfect solar solution for you. Before we dive into the physical work, we handle the paperwork. We secure the necessary permits and approvals, navigating the regulatory landscape with experience and precision. We take care of all the legal aspects, ensuring compliance with local regulations and building codes. This meticulous approach not only streamlines the installation process, but hopefully also provides you with peace of mind, knowing that your solar project is fully authorized and backed by the appropriate authorities. Let's get to the best part, where we start by installing sturdy mounting racks on the roof, securing the panels in place. Precision is key as we connect the wiring, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. With the physical setup complete, we turn our attention to the heart of the system, the inverter. Connecting it to your household electrical panel is like bringing solar energy into your home's nerve center. Our licensed electricians meticulously handle the electrical connections, ensuring proper grounding and safety measures are in place. Rigorous tests are conducted to verify that every component is functioning optimally. We leave no wire unchecked, no panel untested, ensuring your solar system operates at maximum efficiency. This thorough testing process guarantees that your solar system is reliable and resilient, ready to power your home for years to come. How about we connect everything together now? We seamlessly integrate your solar system with the grid, creating a symbiotic energy ecosystem. Through advanced monitoring technology, we keep a close eye on your system's performance, remotely accessing data to ensure everything runs smoothly. Real-time monitoring allows us to detect any issues or anomalies immediately, allowing for prompt troubleshooting and resolution. We provide maintenance services that include regular inspections, cleaning of solar panels, and performance on-site checks to ensure optimal operation. We schedule routine maintenance visits with you to keep your solar system in top condition. Congratulations! Your solar journey with us at Energy Beyond will transform your home into a clean, green energy hub. By harnessing the power of the sun, you not only save money on your energy bills but also contribute to a sustainable future for generations to come.